The Google Pixel 6 Pro may have been leaked in a brief hands-on video. Google got ahead of any possible news leaks about the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro by announcing the phones back in August, including that they would run on the company's long-in-development Tensor chip. But it's possible that some leakers have recently got hold of an actual unit. A video posted to Twitter by @ThisIsTech today may be showing off a pre-production version of the Pixel 6 Pro, complete with its triple rear camera array. Of course, Google hasn't been coy about sharing what the device will look like, even installing dummy units in its NYC store for people to ogle. To that end, the device that's spun around in this short clip looks like what we've seen so far, the strange Google logo placeholder notwithstanding. The phone in this video appears to have a hole punch selfie camera, and all of its buttons are located along its right edge. Just like the Pixel 6 Pro renders that Google shared, the phone in this video appears to have a metallic and glossy rail surrounding its raised camera bar, as opposed to the Pixel 6's darker, matte textured rail. Admittedly, it's tough to tell for sure in this footage. So while it isn't as if we haven't seen what the phone looks like, what's notable in this video is that the display is powered on, which is an angle on the Pixel 6 or 6 Pro that we haven't seen much of, outside of this new ad. Admittedly, though, it's a rather boring glimpse, showing the same screen you see during the Android 12 setup process. The Pixel 6 Pro will have a 6.7-inch QHD+ screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. We still don't know exactly when Google plans to fully take the wraps off the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro or when it will share prices and a release date. But it ought to be soon, perhaps sometime in October, if previous years are any indication.